Howdy, this is your Montgomery, Alabama pain relief chiropractor, Dr. Hunter Sadler of Sadler Chiropractic, and we're here today with Miss Avery. This is her 4th visit, and what brought you in?
I hurt my lower back doing kettlebell swings with too heavy of a weight.
Okay, and let's see, you came in, was it 2 weeks ago?
Mm-hmm.
2 weeks ago. Okay, so 4 visits over 2 weeks. Okay, and this was the first time you'd ever been to a chiropractor? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Were you nervous, scared?
A little bit.
A little bit? All right. How bad was it?
It wasn't that bad.
Okay. Well, it looked worse than what it felt, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So she's almost completely pain-free now.
Mm-hmm.
Just every now and then you get a little twinge. Okay. So what we'll do is make sure everything's in place and moving today. Get it going, and since she's doing so well, we'll just play it by ear after that. You know, just if you have a flare up or you feel like you need to be adjusted, you can just call and come on in.
Okay.
Sound good? All right. You can come on over here, lay flat on your back. And we've been doing the full body adjusting with Avery, starting with the decompression adjustment. That's the scariest part, isn't it? First put that towel around your neck, you're thinking, what in the world is he fixing to do to me? Now this isn't good for everybody, and that's part of the expertise, is knowing when it's good to do it and when it's not. Okay, you lift your head up, relax. And once again, most chiropractic adjustments are from the back to the front. This actually opens it up top to bottom, frees it up, everything to move better. All right. Keep together. Okay, does that feel okay? All right, we get any releases?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. I think we've got you in pretty good shape here. Just relax, just like you're asleep. Oh, that was easy. Okay, let's pull this out. All right, you can just relax there. All right, let this leg hang off here for me. Okay, looks like I'm shoeing a horse. Yeah, we got something there. Where'd you feel that one?
Up here.
Up in the hip? Okay, just let it relax. Okay, and are you still doing the icing that we talked about?
Not as often.
Not at all?
I'm still doing some of it.
Relax here. Here, we're working on the ankles. I think we're at a point where you can stop icing unless it just gets sore or starts bothering you. All right. Whenever you're ready, you can turn over to your stomach. And we usually do a little bit of feel good just to help the muscle relax a little bit. Because I know this feels great. Is this your favorite part?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Alright, I'm going to check balance of the legs. Okay. We're out of balance. And it looks like the very top bone is out to the right and forward. Okay, that balanced us out. Now we'll go down through the upper and mid back or your thoracic spine. Make sure that's all good and loose. Deep breath in, all the way out. There we go. Yeah, still have a little bit in there. And now we're moving into the lumbar spine. Most folks call her lower back. And I'm just reinforcing a good curve in there right now. Okay. All right, you can lay on your right side facing me. Okay, bottom leg straight. All right, go ahead and slide your right hip over. There you go. All right. Just relax. Okay, let's go to the other side. And this is a side posture adjustment. Okay. Most chiropractors normally do what's called a drop, where they drop their body on it. I do a pull, which means I hook my knee behind hers and use that as a fulcrum. It's a lot easier on me. And it still does the job. Okay, you can come on up when you're ready. All right, move around and tell me how all that is. Good. Okay, go ahead and stand here at the end, and we'll do the soaring eagle adjustment. Okay, scoot to your left just a little bit. Right shoulders up and back. Okay, head as far back as you can. That's good right there. That's all what you have. Okay. And by putting her in this position, it puts a good curve in her neck and her low back. And then I'm using this arthrostim instrument to stimulate all these joints. That will send a neurological signal into her brain. And that will tell her brain to tell her body to reset her biomechanics and reset her posture. You can breathe and relax, move around. Okay, everything good? Okay, feel any different in the low back? Okay. Anything else you want to share with us?
It's been really good. I mean, I really like him and everything that he does. And I was really scared coming at first because I've never been, but it was a really good experience, and I feel a lot better.
Well, good. Now, did any of the adjustments we did they hurt at any time, even the first day?
The only thing, I think it just scared me more than anything, was when you pop my neck with the towel.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, we appreciate you sharing your story with everybody. If you're interested in finding out more about chiropractic or about Sadler Chiropractic specifically, we'll have links to our Facebook page and our blog site